everyone!
Hey!
Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because Braylee's hanging out with me today, and we have partnered with FabFitFun to do an unboxing video. I love FabFitFun. It's the only subscription box that I have ever used because I just love what's inside. I think that the products are great. They're full size, so you really get to actually use the product and see what you think about it, and I've always loved everything inside. So FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It comes 4 times a year and it's just filled with great things. It's also only $49.99, but it comes with over $250 worth of product, and if you use the code KAYLI you get $10 off. So you get all of these products inside for $39.99, and I definitely recommend trying FabFitFun because it is so good. This is the summer editors box, and Braylee and I did take a little peek inside because when it came I was like, Braylee, look what I have. So we did open it up and look at the products, and we're so excited to show you guys. I also customized some of the items in your box, so let's show them what's inside our box. I also love this box. The color and the design is so cute. I like to keep these boxes to store different things, so if that's something that you like to do, just because they're a nice size and you can put so many things in there. Anyways, just something else you can do.
And they're super cute, so
super cute. And this is like getting Christmas 4 times a year, which I really love. This is also a great gift to give someone if you, I feel like everyone has that person. It's like you don't know what to buy for them, or they seem like they have everything, or just someone that you know that loves product. This is a great gift to give them because they'll get it 4 times a year. So definitely recommend doing that. And if there are any products that you might not like inside, you can also always get those as a gift. So Braylee used to sneak mine. Weren't you saying like you would just come down and go through my box?
She had like 2 boxes downstairs. I just took like all the cute things from it, so so it's just everything. She didn't have anything left.
Next time I need to get one for myself and one for Braylee so that we both have a box.
My favorite thing about this box is there's like a variety of different things, like skincare, hair stuff, makeup, just like amazing things. So.
Yeah, there's fashion, just a bunch of different lifestyle products, and like I mentioned, they're full size, so you get the full product. Okay, before we start showing you all the amazing products in here, I just have to say that they're doing construction around my house, and it's really, really loud. I apologize if you can hear it. We keep like waiting for trucks to go by, and then we'll try to hurry and talk, and then we have to wait again, and then someone starts hammering. So just so you know, that's why it's a little bit noisy. I'm so sorry. Okay, Braylee.
Alright, so every FabFitFun box comes with a really cute magazine. It just has cute, fun things in it. So
yeah,
I really like that.
I do too. I love reading through the magazine, so I definitely recommend doing that. And then there's also a note that has a description of all of the products inside. So if you're just wanting to know a little bit more about each one, then this is a great thing to read through as you open your box. $50 off to HelloFresh. Nice. I'm going to use that. Okay, you guys, this box is so good.
Just like opening it makes you so happy. Like, okay, so I'm gonna go with this. It is a sleep mask, and it is like amazing.
And okay, so this sleep mask is by Understated Leather and Free People. It is the cutest color. I love the design. Braylee has to sleep in the dark.
No light. I love this. It's like super cushiony and just so nice.
Yeah.
I love it.
You want to put it on?
Yeah. Model this.
This is made of vegan leather, and it has a cooling pack inside so that it like keeps you feeling and looking fresh. Perfect for the summertime if you get hot when you sleep.
Right now.
I know, I want to put it on too. I'm so tired right now.
It like really makes your eyes feel so like cool.
What's fun to play with? Yeah, that's cute. I'll let you have that though because I feel
my favorite.
I feel like you'll really use that a lot.
And like the color and design is just like so cute.
It is really, really cute. Okay, this makeup bag definitely caught my eye. It's so cute. I love the pattern. It is by Yumi Kim, and it is a faux leather. So you have this big opening for like all of your makeup, and I really love the top of this. There's another small pocket up here, and you can put all of your brushes in here. It's going to keep them safe and protected. You can put any of your smaller items up here. So I always love to pack my makeup brushes and jewelry inside of my makeup bag, so I think that this is perfect. I also can't ever have enough makeup bags.
It's really nice too because it's like small, so you can travel with it, but it also holds like a lot, so it has lots of pockets and like nice to travel with.
Yeah, good point. That's very true about this. So I love that. It's so cute. Okay, Brie.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this. It is by Spongel.
Spongeli?
Something. And it is a body wash infused buffer. And if you guys don't know, I have like these really bad bumps on my arms, so this is great to like buff them off.
Yeah, it exfoliates and moisturizes.
It smells so good. The scent is papaya yuzu. I think that's how you say it. And it's like so satisfying, so I'm excited to use this.
Very cool. Okay, I'm going to grab this right here. This is a Pores No More Luminizer primer, and it is by the brand Dr. Brandt. I'm very excited to try this. I've been using a bunch of different primers. I used to never use primers, but my pores are getting bigger, so this is great that this came because I've definitely been playing around with different primers, and I'm excited to try that one out.
Okay, I'm gonna go like this. I don't know, it's all amazing. So this is a trigger point ball, and it's from Magi Sports.
We don't know how to say everything.
This is for yoga, fitness, and meditation, so it kind of is like a massager. It's actually like really satisfying.
I know.
To roll on you.
On our legs. I've been trying to exercise more, and I haven't for a while, so my body's been so sore. I'm really excited to use this. And you can use trigger point balls on your own, so you don't need someone to like rub your back. You can like put it on the ground and lay down on it and massage your back. You can use it on your glutes, hamstring, calf, thigh, feet, back, and shoulders, and you can do it all on your own.
It just feels really good.
I want to use it on my feet.
Yeah.
Cool.
It like gets like into your muscles, so it feels so good.
Nice. And I love that it comes with a case so that I can hide it from my boys. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to grab this. This is a shower gel by Korres. And I have never used any products by Korres, but I've heard a lot about them, and people love this brand. I've heard they have amazing skincare and different things like that, so I can't wait to give this a try. This is in the scent Japanese Rose. It smells so good.
It smells like really fresh.
It's really fresh.
It's like fresh, but with like a hint of something, so it's
like it has a very light rose smell, which I love because it's not overpowering.
This is a facial brush, and it is from Foreo Luna, and it is powered by Bluetooth technology, and you can download an app, and that will help measure skin moisture, reveal skin age, customize cleansing routine, and app records progress.
Cool.
You can download on the App Store or get on Google Play.
So cool.
Yes.
So the thing that I really love about these boxes is that you get products that you might not try, and I don't think that this is something that I would just think to grab, and I can't wait to use that.
It's so small, but like so much comes with it.
That's very true. Awesome.
It's actually like really soft.
Let's see.
So on the back you can just turn it on and it vibrates.
Oh. Did you put it on your face?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It actually kind of smells good too.
Turn it off.
Just it took me a while to.
Okay, the last product that we have in our box is from Ahava, and it is a mineral hand cream, and this is amazing. We both already used it. I love hand creams, and I love the smell of this. Really does too.
Yeah, it smells like a coconut kind of, so like fresh.
Yeah, very fresh. It's like thick and nice, but not too thick.
Yeah.
It just absorbs right into your skin. It's
just
so
like
nice.
it says, it's like water.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is it for our Summer Editors Edition box. I feel like FabFitFun always succeeds to surprise us with their new products and like amazing things.
Definitely. I love everything. Like I mentioned before, best box.
Yes.
There's so many great things inside. Let us know if you try FabFitFun and what some of your favorite products were if you got this same box. I know that there was a regular summer box that sold out.
Yeah.
And this is the Editor's Edition. So if you want this box, make sure that you hop on it. You'll love it. Use my code Kayli to get $10 off. Let us know if you want to see more unboxing videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.